So I've been waiting on this video for a little while because I was trying to figure out a few things. We're done with the kitchen for now, but the main other one that I was working on to figure out like look and how I wanted my cabinets to look was actually the bathroom, the one that I started first. So I would say the white trim is great, but the cabinet in the bathroom, I've been wanting to try to do like a white oak finish instead of the dark brown veneer. And I just haven't been able to quite figure out how to do it. And I've seen all these faux wood videos. And so, long story short, it didn't work out as I was expecting yesterday. But luckily, I just did it on one side. I'll show you what I did. Let me show you real quick. So, here's what happened. Originally, I started with this color. I really like this base color, but I think it's a little bit too dark. I think that's the other problem is I need to bring it up and probably add some white into my base, which I'm going to try to do today. But the other part was this color. I was trying to make like a pretend stain. And I think what happened was now that I've watched a few more videos, it seems like people do this color. They do the graining either first or after the first coat, which I didn't do, I should have done. Then they do this stain-like thing, which I think was the other problem. And now that I look at it, it doesn't look as bad. I'm going to try to whitewash this today and see how it turns out. But luckily it's in the inside cabinet, so it was just a test. But this has been more difficult than I thought it would be. Honestly, I thought this was going to be the easy parts, but it actually turned out to be the harder one. So yeah, wish me luck. Try to get this done. Yeah, and then I need to get these videos edited, but I haven't had a chance to yet. I do have a final reveal for the kitchen. Also had some issues there. We had a slight leak in one of the sink pipes, which turned out to be like one of the joints. The screw was a little bit loose. Thank goodness, because I thought, oh my gosh, did one of our pipes burst or break or whatever, but it wasn't that, so thank God. And then another part was leaking, which was like, so I had to take everything out, clean that, and then let it dry and put it back in. So it's been a process. And so I'm just trying to get this done because I want the bathroom to be done. I want to show you what I did with the rest of the bathroom. It looks so cute, and I'm like super proud of what I did because I don't think I've ever really actually like done a bathroom makeover. I've been wanting to do like a spa like bathroom that was the theme that I wanted, but never actually had the opportunity to do this and also record it and share it with people. And so it's like everything I wanted, but it's just taken a lot longer than I thought it would. And yeah, I just wish like I'm not back at work already, kind of. But yeah, I had 2 weeks off and it's a great project to start and learn during this time. I feel like I learned a lot, and I'm excited to do more of these now that I feel like I've like kind of gotten into it a little bit more, but I'm still trying to figure out like how to design and how to take inspiration and like apply it to what I like. So more to come, but I just wanted to give you all an update on what's going on. I know the bathroom one, I haven't even finished the step-by-step process. I have a bunch of videos and then had issues with editing, and yeah, it's been a whole thing. Honestly, I've been using my phone for most of my recording and I keep running out of space. I wish I would have gotten the phone that had like 500 something gigs of memory versus the 2, and now I'm like regretting that because I'm like constantly trying to delete stuff, which is really annoying. So it's been a lot. Anyways, I really appreciate you all following me on this, I guess, kind of a messy, frantic journey. And I hope you're enjoying the content. And yeah, if you like this kind of content, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe. And also, like in the comments, leave me some ideas of other things that you would like to see. I know originally, yeah, my thought for this channel was actually to do more podcasting stuff. So in the future, I'm just trying to figure out this like video recording and what works, what doesn't, set up thing first, and then I will come back with the content that I intended for this channel to have. But for now, I hope you all are enjoying learning a little bit about me, my vlog style, and anyways, yeah. Well, come along on my journey. I will continue on painting and show you what the final results are soon.